Well, good morning. It's Friday, so that means we're heading up to Mokan. It's for their Labor Day race up there. It's been a while since I did a Labor Day race up there. Classes, nothing today, no test, trial, anything like that. It's pro classes today. Then tomorrow there's only one class. It's called a hot rod class. It's strictly foot brake only, so I'll be in that class. Then Sunday is just the normal bracket race they have up there, and it's a probably going to be in both classes that as well. I'm going to be in Super Pro as well as no box. So anyway, so today is kind of a relaxing day, but we need to get up there fairly early. They just had brand new pavement put down there in the pits area, so I can't wait to see what that looks like. Might do some drone footage shots of that as well. So today, just enough to just get up there, get camped out. There's chance of rain off and on throughout the weekend. As you can see, it's kind of cloudy here right now. So but yeah, we just have to contend with that. But we are heading up there and try to get a decent spot. Hopefully we can find something. So anyway, with that, let's go ahead and get the trailer hooked up, get Pops, he's going to be with us today, and get the golf cart in, and let's head to the track. But first, we're going to do a stop we haven't done in a long time, so get ready for that one. Okay, we got it all loaded up, waiting on Pops. There he is. So what is the word for today?
Win.
Okay.
Have fun today, win Sunday.
There we go.
First stop, Sonic.
Yep. Get a gift card. Gonna use it. So anyway, Sonic stop, here we come. Yeah, we made it. Can't wait to see what the bag looks like. The big bag reveal. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you'll like this one. I've never seen this before. What does that say? Live, free, eat? Oh, okay. Live, free, eat. Well, live, free, eat. I don't know, is it live or live?
Live, free, eat, Sonic.
Sonic. Oh. But you know what? I don't think what's in the bag's free. Well, I guess it was free because we had a gift card. There we go. Yeah, it is right. That's why they gave us the bag, because we had a gift card. Okay. Well, let's eat this free food. Well, we made it to Mokan. Okay, let's get inside, pay the lady, and get our spot. If you don't wear that armband, they catch you out. They'll march you to the gate, and you have to buy it again. You only have a second chance to come back to the trailer and put it on. And we have a great spot. We got here early. I don't know what time we get. A little after 10. No, right before 10, wasn't it? I can't remember. But as you can tell, you can see the new asphalt was laid here. Step out here real quick. It's beautiful up here. Anyway, I'll shoot the drone up here in a little bit. You can see the new asphalt. If you can see that, but that is actually a rain shower way in the distance at the end of my tip.
It started with a bone.
Done.
A backyard.
Good morning from Mokan. I didn't take any videos last night, per se. Pretty much a rain out last night. I think I only got one round of gassers in last night, and that means no nitro cars last night, no jet cars, none of that. So today basically I'm going to try to get all the first round of qualifying for the nitro cars is at 11. We're not starting until about 12, so I'm just doing one class today, hot rod class today, and that's all they really have. It's just a foot brake class only. Then tomorrow is where we have two classes. We'll have a no E class or no box class and a Super Pro class. So anyway, with that, so today we're just gonna get things cleaned up here from the rain last night. We already had breakfast and see what we get done today. And I don't think there's any buybacks today, so once you're out, you're out. So let's get the day started. Okay guys, before it gets too busy, first round of hot rod class coming up. So put a 63 on it. I'm gonna have to hit the light better. That second round only 76. So anyway, let's get up there and see what we get done. Go, gotta hit a better light because that last light sucked. So see how it goes. Okay, it's round 3. Good close race. Slowed down a couple. It's kind of shocked on that, but oh well. Winds win 20 light. Okay guys, round 4 coming up. I'm keeping 61 even though I ran 63. Everything's warmed up, so I think it should be okay. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Good morning. I did do a closing statement, but the 4th round, that was a nail biter. Actually, a guy next to me. So anyway, just took way too much stripe, but it is what it is. So with that, hope you liked to enjoy the video, and with that, I'm out of here until the next race. So show you why I'm not going to run 2 classes today. Okay, the reason I'm not running 2 classes today is I'm leaking oil